early on. You know we're not going to be seeing the Cliff Hodge, no? Versus the Beast matchup.
We'll get it over to Barroca. Barroca launches the mid-range jumper is good.
You know, that's something that Mark has really been working on, the dribble pull-up, first 2 points for the Magnolia Hotshots. At saka yung mga guards, no? Ganda ng matchup ng guards. And Mark Barroca talking about guards. Of course, another Iron Man here in the PBA playing 503.
That's right. You know, Coach, I was talking to Mark Molina about this as Jio Jalalon hits his own mid-range jumper. And Mark Molina was telling me that throughout yung FD over to Barroca, Barroca will attack. Barroca with the floater is good.
Tough shot on the part of Mark Barroca, not forcing the jump shot.
We'll send it over to Lee. Lee will launch from 3. Got it.
Wow, layo ng tira na yan. Over the outstretched arms of Bong, key to one of the best defenders here in this league.
Well, Paulie. Here's Barroca. Barroca puts it up off the glass.
Ganda naman, no? Lead-in jumper. Very hard to block.
I mean, Barroca puts it up from the elbow. Good.
That is a very tough shot on the part of Mark Barroca. Now in double digits, got 10 points.
I mean, what a start here for Mark Barroca in this ball game. Glad that you would elaborate on that a little bit more. No? As Paul Lee, injured ba to dati? Parang hindi eh.
One of the toughest shots on the move, using a double screen before getting that ball.
Top of the key jumpers, good.
And he has really been working on that jumper as well. Jio Jalalon. They're still down by 1 point, but I really like this ball.
He will attack. Teardrop shot, gets the lucky bounce. Paul Lee.
How tough was that shot right there of Paul Lee? The defensive rotation of Meralco was there. The big man was willing to block the shot.
Yeah.
Sometimes, you know, and there was a time about 2-3 years ago that he was...
Gio spins, and look at this play by Jio Jalalon.
Now this is going to be an end one. Making sure, no, nice little spin. Sa loob na eh, no?
Okay.
Sa loob na siya, tapos meron pa pala siyang pihit. Pakaliwa.
Very crafty Jio Jalalon here.
The guards of Magnolia are playing so well. Gio, Mark.
Between these two teams so far. Paul Lee wants to change that, and he rattles in a 3-pointer. And now it's a 9-point advantage for the Hotshots. I mean, Coach, you're right. All 3 guards here for the Jalalon. Puts it up from 15 feet. Got it!
And that's a very tough shot. You know, he is right-handed. He was going left, and Aaron Black
by the Bolts. Paul Lee puts it up and in.
And now, if you want a very tough shot that looks very easy.
Oh, yeah. Wong, fast break here for Magnolia. Barroca gets away for 2.
That's what one defense and a defensive stop in a rebound can do for you. Fast break opportunity on the part of the Magnolia Hotshots. 4-0 round.
Rivas now with Paul Lee. Paul Lee's got some daylight here, and he makes them pay with that 3.
Just a little space. That's all he needed. Paul Lee coming off the bench. Kakapasok lang yan, ha?
Again. Jio Jalalon puts it up and in!
And that's just very skillful move on the part of Jio Jalalon. And where did that come from? Of course, Magnolia.
He's got Barroca, walks up to the 3-pointer, got it!
Hand off, 3-point shot. Both of these guards just know what to do with that ball. Winning time, Mark Barroca, 3-point shot.
The 2 of them just feed off of each other so well. Bueva will attack. Back to Gio. Gio puts it up and in.
Nice assist on the part of Calvin Abueva. All of a sudden, a 5-point lead for the Magnolia.
And this is going to be it, as Paul Lee will put this game away.
And you have to give credit. Still no points on the part of Raymond Almasan, and ending up with a 9-point win or an 11-2 run in overtime.
What a performance here by Mark.